Many thanks for joining us on KTN Prime. Deputy President William Ruto is now seeking to waive his right to be present at his upcoming trial at The Hague. According to a defense request filed today, Ruto wants to attend court only at the opening and closing of his trial during judgment, anytime the judges summon him or when he chooses to. Sophia Wanuna starts our coverage tonight with the Deputy President's request that could be the first test of cooperation between the ICC and the Kenyan leaders set for trial.
Deputy President William Ruto, through his lead counsel Karim Khan, has written to the International Criminal Court seeking to waive his right to be present during his trial that begins on 28th of May this year. In its application, Ruto's defense team cites Article 67 of the Rome Statute, which states that an accused shall be entitled to be present at the trial, arguing that his presence in court based on that article is a right, not an obligation.
Being present in court does not mean physical presence. Yeah. What is important is representation. Are you properly represented? So that you cannot come back and say, you people conducted the case in my absence.
Ruto's waiver application is with the exception of the opening and closing of trial, judgment and all other hearings at which his attendance is requested by the trial chamber, which he promises to attend, and or sessions he may choose to attend.
Considers it necessary and decides not to hold the hearing in your absence, as provided for in Rule 125, Sub-Rule 4. You are also entitled to waive your right to attend any status conference to follow and to be conducted for the purposes of the proper and efficient disclosure procedure.
Ruto had in February this year made another application requesting to be considered present at the trial through video link, an application that is still before the trial chamber. Ruto's team now wants the waiver considered as the primary request and the video link request as an alternative.
If you go all the way from, I think, Articles 124, 125, 126, they provide for waiver of an accused person from physically being present at a hearing. Although the rules talk about waiver, for instance, at the confirmation hearing. So right from the confirmation, an accused person has got a right, one, to be present at the trial, and has also got the right to waive the right to be present personally or in person.
Ruto's counsel further say that the application is in no question to draw the trial chamber into Kenyan politics, but simply a reasoned and practical request in view of his unique situation as a serving deputy head of state, seeking to balance his constitutional responsibilities to the people of Kenya and his oath of office, and his personal commitment to cooperate with the court. Ruto is facing charges of crimes against humanity at the ICC. Others facing similar charges are President Uhuru Kenyatta and radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang. Sophia Wanuna, KTN.